Connor from Starless Reviews, and it's bird season out right now, because I got Bird's Nest drink from Wonder Farm. Now, Bird's Nest. It comes from a swallow in southern Asia, and this swallow lives in the caves, in the tops of the caves, and to make its nest, since there's not like sticks and stuff around, it just spits, and it spits all over the place. It makes a little nest out of all the spit, and then the Chinese and like that area of people, they were like, hey, you know what sounds tasty as fuck and gonna help with all my internal organs and make me healthy? Taking a spit and putting it in your mouth and swallowing it. So they made it into a drink that you can buy at your local store. And supposedly it's got so it's got the spit. Here we go. Oh, my mouth is just salivating looking at this. So much spit. I'm just so jealous. And it looks great, doesn't it? It smells like honey. Now, I'm scared to drink this, but when in doubt, oh no, it tastes amazing. Oh, it's like sweet and like a custard almost, like, but it has like a weird jelly texture to the spit. We're going in for round 2. We're gonna get a second impression. I need to know if my first impression was, lies. It's good, but like spit.